Hey y'all, it's Mina again. Come on, let's go. It's my bird Shaky. Say hi. Good morning. Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Alright, if you don't want to say it, then it's on you. Anyway, I am getting ready to do something with this. I grilled this chicken. It's more than one. This is it. I grilled this a few days ago. I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to actually make something good out of it. So, first, I'm going to put it in the microwave. Let me see. What do I want? It's in the refrigerator, actually. That's what I'm looking for right there. I'm gonna add a little bit on it. And I'm gonna make me a sandwich because I'm so hungry. Sure. Yeah. He fine. He be out here with him too. Say hi to Cuddles. Hey, Cuddles. Hello, Cuddles. Shaky. You want to say hi to Cuddles? Come on. Hello, Cuddles. Anyway, I'm gonna put it in for maybe 30 seconds. That's what I'm gonna do. And while we waiting, I got my bird and my cat. See? They alright. You see? Come on. Say hi to Mr. Cuddles. Well, they don't mess with each other like that, but they don't. Hey, Cuddles, say hi. Okay, now I gotta get my food. I feel like I'm a fat ass bitch sometimes. Well, I'm a fine fat bitch. Here, okay, let me put it over here. Okay. You just trying to hang on to me, right? You want to sing a song? Go, Shaky, go! Go, Shaky, go! Go, Shaky, go, Shaky, go! Shaky, Shaky. You want to sing a song, Shaky? Nope. Let everybody know you know how to talk. You want to sing a song? You want to sing a song? Okay. I guess not. Let me get some mayo right here and put it on my sandwich because that's what the hell I want. And if I don't get what I want, I'm gonna get mad. Period. Okay. Hold on.
Somebody's cooking.
No, I'm on live. Can you come in and say something? Alright, that's what I'm doing.
Okay.
You lying? I want you to show your handsome face.
No, thank you.
One time, honey. But they already seen your ass any goddamn. So, did you go to the store? Did you go to the store and come back?
I was getting ready to go, but then I realized maybe I need other receipts too. Because I tried to buy three. Two of them went through, but one of them didn't. So the one I gave that was probably the good one.
So, yeah, you want some? Huh?
Yeah, what's wrong with you? You share with us the other girl?
Coming right back. Alright. I'm just chilling. I ain't got time to be doing all that extra shit. I'm trying to just chill. And I'm making me a sandwich because I am hungry. Here's my sandwich. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Damn. Okay. Ain't nothing. Say hey, Shaky. Shaky, listen. You're not supposed to be eating out of other people's mouths. I'll give you some. Now, me and Shaky share stuff. Because we love each other. When you love somebody, you share with them. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.